Amazonia is a brand new collection from our friends at Stamperia. Now this is an 8x8 paper pad, and as always there are 10 sheets inside, but you know that doesn't begin to tell you all of the things that are really inside this. So on the back of the cover you're going to see all of these cutouts. Many of them are, in fact most of them are in English, a couple of them are in Spanish, and then we see this beautiful artwork. And as I said, they are double-sided and just spectacular, as you can see. So we've got lily pads, we've got some maps, and then also some of the bird life, so that toucan, just gorgeous. And then there's also some cutouts, and it's nice because in this they keep them very straight edges. The front is very colorful. On the back side, they're a little bit plainer, so you can use both sides. Now, a sheet like this, you can certainly cut apart, or you can use it how you like. There is the back side of it. Here we have where the Amazon is in Africa, and there we've got more cutouts, just beautiful. And again, the back side is plainer, so you can see some wood, very cute little sloth, some pads, and more cutouts. Now these are more detailed, and they are on the back of the sheet. Now, in addition to all of this, you can buy separately all of these chipboard die cuts, and let me just show you the variety that you get. There's just, in fact, there are 47 in the package. They are on a board. And let me just bring more of these in here so that you can see them. On our website, we will have a scan of all of these so you can really see what they are. And there are just so many that you'll have lots and lots of ways to use these over the time. So we've got butterflies. You can see the peacock or parrot, the ferns. And as I said, the butterflies as well. There's a feather. There are a couple of insects like the scorpion, and just a wealth of imagery. And you can kind of tell from my hand about what the size they are. So I would say that's probably about 2 inches square. And then there are a few larger pieces, but most of them kind of stay in that range of, although this is a bit larger too. And then you're going to go down to some smaller ones. So Amazonia is the title, and it's quite a beautiful collection.